Hey everybody, welcome back to another AI video. And in this one, we're checking out Akool.com, a cutting-edge Gen AI platform for really multiple use cases. And today we're really diving in on their video translation AI tool. So I'm really excited about this one. This is the website right here. As you can see, very interactive right when we get there. Akool.com. And the beauty about this AI software is that it just doesn't do one thing, right? Like it really does a bunch of different AI use cases that you would typically need to use a bunch of different AI softwares, but here it's just one and you can do all these different things. So let's take a quick look at their website before we dive into something. We come over here, we have their face swap feature, which is pretty interesting. So if you have a video yourself and you want to put, in this case, Elon Musk or whoever it is on that video of yours, then you could do that very easily. That's called the face swap feature, which is sounds pretty interesting to me. They have a streaming avatar. You can create a real-time interactive avatar, which could be very useful for different businesses. I can only imagine how many different use cases you could take advantage of this. The video translation, which is really what we're going to dive deep on here, which is very groundbreaking. So here you kind of just upload your video and then it syncs your lips to whatever language that you want. So let's say I take a video in English and I want it to be presented to people that know German or Chinese or Japanese. I just select the language, and not only does the voice change, but also my lips in the video get synced to it, which is very, very handy. And as you can see here, they're saying that you can break language barriers built for global professionals, and I can only imagine how you can definitely take advantage of that. So they also have an image generator where with a couple of texts, you can easily create any AI generated image. A talking avatar, so you feed it text and within minutes you have AI generated avatar and the voices. So everything is done for you. And lastly, the talking photos. So here we have a nice Mona Lisa and then it can speak to you in real human voices, and that could be done with any picture really. So today we're really diving in on the video translation here because I really want to see what it's really like, right? Does it sync with the lips or does it look a little laggy? Does it look a little off? Let's see how it does. A little bit more about the site here. 5 million Akool users, 50,000 companies, massive companies use this AI platform. Perfect for advertising, online education, art inspiration, e-commerce. Sounds fantastic to me. Here you have all the different platforms. So let's dive into that video translation and see how it does. So this is the first thing that you see when you log in. And as you can see, I'm a pro user. So on your home page, you have your favorite tools and then all the AI tools here. So Face Swap, live face swap, talking avatar, AI video editor, streaming avatar, video translation, which is what we're going to focus on, and the video campaign. And then for images, you also have AI tools, and for business, you also have these two. So it's very nicely laid out for you, very interactive. As you go on it, you get a preview of what to expect. I can invite team members. I can upgrade for more credits. So right now we're going to focus on the video translation where you can seamlessly do video translation with realistic lip syncing. Okay, so this is the first thing you see when you click on video translation, and you have the option to either upload a video or you can paste a video URL, which could be very useful. You could paste a YouTube video, a TikTok URL, an X video, or a Google Drive, which is fantastic. And you have different try demo videos here. So we have one from Apple where you can click.
Still your own writing, but it looks smoother, straighter, and more legible.
So I actually have a sample video that I want to try out. It's a guy speaking Japanese. So let's take a quick look at it.
どうも、ゆうたです。今日はなんと日本語だけで動画を作ろうと思います。たまにコメントが来るんですよね。
So you get the point. So he's speaking Japanese and I want the video in English. This is a fantastic opportunity to give this AI tool a try and really see what it does. So let's go ahead and upload the video here. We're just going to drag and drop it just like that. And you could see Akool is analyzing the video for us. We have the option to create translation or proofread first. And if we click proofread first, then this is awesome. So we have the source language, auto detect, which is very easy, but obviously you have all these different options for your source language, which is very nice. And then you have your target language with languages with voice clone that you can use, all these awesome languages, but you also have languages with AI voice, which opens you up to so many different languages, which is fantastic. And then our speaker voice, we have our voice clone, but you can also use your own voice. If you upload a sample audio of you speaking, then you can actually use your own voice, which is pretty cool. And then your AI voice options as well, of course. We're gonna do our target language is going to be English. And studio voice, we're not going to touch that. Number of speakers, let's keep it on auto detect, but you can also select however many, wow, up to 10 speakers. And then advanced settings, we're not going to touch that either, but you can remove the BGM, dynamic voice length, and keep the video specs unchanged. So we're going to do that, and we're going to press translate now. Okay, so I would say that took less than honestly 30 seconds. As you can see, it used 9 credits here, which is great, and we're gonna see what it did here. So let's click on proofread. Look at that. So it has the Japanese text and then also in English right beside it. Wow, that is incredible. So you also have the option to see the original or the translated. And let's see.
Hello everyone, I'm Yuta. Today, I decided to create a video entirely in Japanese.
Fantastic. And then in Japanese it was
どうも、ゆうたです。今日はなんと日本語だけで動画を作ろうと思います。
amazing. So we can actually go through the entire script and see what it detected, and we can really easily just proofread everything before we actually get the final video. And as you can see, every single timestamp is registered here from Japanese to English, so I can quickly go over and see what exactly it detected. And I even have the option to edit the English or the Japanese. I can add a script in the middle. I have a nice editor template at the bottom here showing me exactly what I can expect. And as I'm moving the timestamp here across the editor, it's live, so it can see it exactly which part of the script it's referring to. And let's see what it did here. So I'm gonna, after proofreading everything, I'm gonna press play.
Hello everyone, I'm Yuta. Today, I decided to create a video entirely in Japanese. Sometimes I receive comments from people asking if I can truly speak Japanese. So to all of you, I hope this video effectively demonstrates my language abilities.
Wow, amazing. So that was awesome. The lip sync sounded very nice. And just like that, we can press submit and then easily download our video. We can easily also change. So the source language, we could see that it detected it in Japanese, but we can also change the target language to whatever we want, right? We can just reset the translation and use a different language there. And now that we're here, we can see the results history. It's right here where we have all our different projects. Right now I just did this one, but that sounded really good to me. So
hello everyone, I'm Yuta. Today, I decided to create a video entirely in Japanese. Sometimes I receive comments from people asking if I can truly speak Japanese.
That's fantastic. So the lip sync really did well. I'm very impressed. And that's about it for today's video. So we really just wanted to highlight the video translation tool, but of course you have all these other AI platform softwares that you can easily take advantage of with that subscription, or you could just do it for free. If you guys want to see other reviews, please let me know. If you use other video translation AI softwares that you think compare with Akool, then also let me know. I would love to do a quick video on that. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next AI video.